Founded in 2014, CAZN is a leading high-tech enterprise specializing in advanced industrial connection technology. We focus on delivering a full range of professional connector solutions tailored to meet global standards. With a decade of experience, we have become an industry leader in the connector sector, setting the standard for quality and innovation across various industries. Operating out of two major production facilities spanning over 11,986 square meters, our advanced factory houses over 30 injection molding machines, 8 assembly lines, and 10 packaging lines, all supported by rigorous quality assurance through CE, RoHS, REACH, and UL certifications. Every product undergoes precision testing to ensure peak quality and reliability. Our one-stop service approach offers extensive customization options, from logo and appearance design to custom functionalities. We provide a robust after-sales team and a 2-year warranty with free returns or replacements for any issues, giving our partners complete peace of mind. With a dedicated team, including over 20 R and D experts, we are driven by innovation and commitment to excellence, collaborating to deliver unique solutions for every client. CAZN, expert in industrial connectivity solutions.